Hi, I'm Mohammed Ali and I'm from the YouTube channel Mohammed Ali Travel. Today I want to reveal to you one of my best tricks to remove the background of an image so I can create powerful thumbnails. Thumbnails plays an important role in YouTube if you like to invite more audience for your content. And the first thing the audience would like to look at is the thumbnail, and based on that decide if they want to click and watch the video. So I want to show you in a few steps how I remove the background of an image, and for that reason I'm going to load my website mohammedali.tv. As you can see, it is currently being loaded, and I go to the bottom of the page, and from there I have the link called background remover, which I'm going to click. And from here I can select the image that I have prepared. As you can see, it's a woman sitting on a swing, and in the background we have Earth, and I would like to cut her out from the background, and I click open. And this tool, which I really like, is really easy to use and free, and I really use it often to create my powerful thumbnail. As you can see, the image is here ready. It has marked the relevant area in green, but there's a little tiny thing that has not been done correctly, so I will correct it manually. So I click here on the eraser, hold it pressed, and now it has been removed. Now if I'm happy with the final result, I click download. Click download in low resolution. I got the image and go now to the thumbnail creator, and in here I'm going to upload the image of my choice and add the image to the thumbnail. And in order to look it more real, I have the option to edit the imported image and click on fresco and place it position in the thumbnail and have my thumbnail ready. I really hope that this was of use and you will benefit from my tutorials. I hope to see you another time. See you.
Every week on YouTube. Follow my dream and be part of my life on Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel to get the latest updates.